Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chi, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do Senegalese twist. It's beginner friendly and it's very simple to do. This is only my second time doing them, and I don't think they turned out too bad. So let's get started. So first you're going to need your hair. You're going to be needing some braiding here. I'm using expression, some edge control, a detangler, a rat tail comb to section your hair, and some scissors. I'll be using the scissors to cut my braiding hair in half. It was pretty long. I'm going to go ahead and measure it to see if it is the right length, and it is. So here I'm just going to feather the ends. You want to feather the ends of your hair so it's not so blocky at the end. I'll post a link of a feathering video below. So I took a part of the section I feathered. I'm going to take a part of this mini section and use it for one Senegalese twist. I'm going to be taking the rat tail comb and I'm going to section off my hair. I didn't start from the back in this section, but what I suggest is to split your hair horizontally or vertically depending on where your hair is, where you're sectioning at the time. So here I'm splitting it vertically because I'm working from the section of my hair, but in the back I started horizontally. And I made mini sections or blocks within these parts, which I'm about to demonstrate here. Next, I'll be taking my edge control and I'll be applying it to that single section. This will help the braiding process to be a lot easier and helps it look a lot more smooth at the top. Next, we're going to be taking that section of hair that we parted off previously and I'm going to apply it to my natural hair. And you want it to look like this. You want the hair to be bent over or wrapped around your natural hair. Just like this. Now you want to take that section of hair and twist it so it looks like this. So it's crossed over your natural braids. And I'm slowing it down for you guys here so it makes sense visually. So take the two strands and cross. Voila, there we go. And now we'll begin braiding down. So we'll just begin braiding down like you're braiding just a normal braid or plait. I apologize for the visual representation here. I was trying my best to film this on camera or do this on camera. I have other parts where it'll make more sense later on, but yeah, so we'll just begin braiding down, and I usually braid down about 3 or 4 times, and then I begin twisting. Twisting is the easy part. One thing that you do have to note while doing this is as you twist, you need to twist each strand like you see me doing here. So twist each strand and then wrap it around each other. This will make the strands stick to one another. Sometimes I add a bit of edge control as I'm braiding down. Sometimes it does get a bit dry as I'm twisting, so it just helps like the flow of the braiding process or twisting process. And there we have it, a twist complete. So I'm going to be repeating the same process throughout the rest of my head. I'm going to be taking the edge control, applying it, taking a section of hair, wrapping it around my natural hair, and then I'm going to twist it around and I'm going to begin braiding. So you have 3 sections. I'm going to braid about 3 to 4 to 5 times, depending on how secure I think it should be, and then I'll begin to twist. I just zoomed in and close, and I just zoomed in here so you guys are able to see it better. At the end of your braiding process, you want to attach your natural hair to one of the hair extensions and then begin twisting. Your hair will begin to blend in with the braid. Twist. Gosh, y'all know what I mean.
You know I feel a vibe, you feel a vibe, so baby whine about me. Yeah, and I know you shy.
And as I mentioned before, twist each strand before wrapping it around each other. In total, this took me about 4 to 5 hours, not too long. I'm so happy to finally be done. So I'm going to show you guys the same process I've been showing you guys before. We're going to take the extension, wrap it around your natural hair, twist, and begin to braid. Grabbing the middle section of hair with my middle finger makes it easier to start braiding. Just a little note. Another thing, make sure to be detangling the braid or hair extension as you're going down, because sometimes it can start to get entangled and then it turns into a hot mess. You don't want that. So yeah, so detangle it as you're going down.
So when I want to come out, I signal you. But you want to request me like I interview.
At this point, I was tired. I was like, let me go to sleep. Peace. But we're almost done. I'm going to take a little bit of the edge control just to lock things off, and we will be done. So, this is the final look. It's cute. To seal the ends, I would suggest putting it in hot water. I did show it here, but definitely do that. And yeah, this is the final look. Cute. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave it below. If you have any comments, leave it down below. And I'll catch you on the next. Be sure to subscribe, like, whatever. Okay, deuces. Bye.